YouTube, what's up, Power Nation? It's your boy Power Salute 2015 here. Today we're bringing you my basically my leftovers, firework leftover from 4th of July 2015. I was surprised of all the stuff that I had left. I thought I had basically lit up everything, but no. We started at 7. We finished like around 1. Non-stop lighting, honestly. But yeah, this is my artillery shells. As you can see, I have my X-Scouts back there. I have my Biggs Pro shells there. Executioner. We got Goliath. We got all of this stuff, man. I have all of my look at all the shells there. We got some yeah. We got some honestly, I don't know which ones are these because my one of my nephews took it. I don't know what type of brand it is. So it just says launch tube. Yeah, brand new pack. Well, not this one. This is just for the regular shells, but it came like that with 2 tubes. The tube I saw it over there, and I was like, "Who brought this?" And then this next day I found this one's there. So this on my Sammy's vest. Some missiles there. Some strikes. Unopened box of Super Magnum. This is brand new. As y'all can see here. I have other stuff as well. So guys, I have some fountains, some small stuff, some Roman candles, some little fountains, whistling chasers, some Eye of the Tiger, Midnight Chaos, some kaleidoscopes and all that stuff. Some some little Roman candles and stuff. Also, I have some leftover Texas Big and Loud rockets. I have another grow, well, not grow, whatever you want to call it. Oh, it's just 5. Oh, 6, but 1 broke. You see it there. Texas Pop rockets and some rockets. All right. Well, yeah, guys. Here's all my stuff here. I took some Sammy's Best out so I can record. Some more of my stuff there and there. Oh, also I have this left over. I forgot to record it yesterday. American Soldier. I forgot to record it. So guys, I almost forgot, but got 2 bricks of world class crackers. I got 10 strips of 200s and 20 strips of 100s. So, yo, peace.